I actually have no idea what I'm doing. But you don't know that. I'm gonna edit that out. Welcome back, everybody, to the channel. We've got our diff, which is an S14 diff. On today's episode, we are going to be putting the diff in the back of the car. Alright guys, the rear end is in. It fits really snug, which is fine, not really a big deal. We don't have a mustache bar in. I haven't ordered it yet because I accidentally forgot. So that's something else I need to order. So we're just going to hold the back end up by the jack. Alright, it is probably a month since the last time I filmed this part of this video. We have a lot of stuff going on in the background. So filming like 3 different videos right now, which is why one didn't come up for such a long time. So I decided to put the cradle in. I don't remember exactly how much I filmed, but I decided to put the cradle in, and then I took it out because I realized that when I put it up there, I didn't have a mustache bar, and then I got to the point where I was like, I don't want to fab one because it's a lot of work, and then if it's slightly off, we're going to be in a world of hurt. So what I did is I ordered one from the same company that made Cradle, which is TechnoToyTuning. But in order to do that, I needed to put on an S14 diff cover. I had an S13 diff cover, literally bolt on. So the RTV is kind of getting tacky right now, and then I'll torque it all down. Alright, so that's a lot of talking, but for now, we are going to go ahead and hop on to putting everything back in the car. Alright guys, so after taking way too long on putting all that together, like the camera died and I forgot to put the washers on there, so I had to take the whole thing down, and it was finagly and blah blah blah. It doesn't really matter. But the mustache bar is in. Oh. Ow. So as y'all can probably see there, the diff is being held up by itself under, with its own weight and everything. I haven't gone down and tightened everything just yet. I'm gonna get the knuckles in, then we're gonna torque down absolutely everything. But for now, it's getting late. Alright guys, so that is gonna do it for this episode. Thank you all so much for watching until the end. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Especially like. It really helps the channel. If you know somebody that wants to see this, great, share it. all that good stuff. Love to hear the comments. Like to hear what y'all are working on. It's really cool to hear other people's projects and what they're doing. Hopefully within the next 3 episodes or so, the car will be a roller again. But until then, I'll catch y'all next time.